Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Filipino kitchen in the UK. Today, we're making tomato, basil, and garlic pasta. I am excited about this one. It's going to be quick, easy, and delicious. So, for the ingredients, as per its name, the main stars of the dish are tomatoes, basil, and garlic. I'm using baby plum tomatoes and two large tomatoes that I had in the fridge, but you could use any type. I will also be using a bunch of fresh basil and around 10 cloves of garlic because we love garlic, but you could use less if you wish. We also need some pasta. I'm using spaghetti here, but fusilli and penne would work too. I had some flavored pasta sauce, but tinned tomatoes or any type of plain pasta sauce or tomato sauce would be fine. So first, we're going to cook the pasta according to the packet instructions. We also need to make sure that we are reserving 1 cup of the salted pasta water before draining. And while the pasta is cooking, we are preparing the garlic, tomatoes, and basil. So now we're placing a large casserole dish with the olive oil on medium heat. We'll then saute the tomatoes and garlic for 5 minutes or until the tomatoes are soft and the garlic is fragrant. Next, we'll pour in the pasta sauce. I usually finish off the remaining sauce by adding some of the pasta water to the jar, and that way I'm not wasting any. We'll then leave this to simmer and cook away, and we'll stir this occasionally. So now we're adding in the drained pasta, and we'll then stir everything together. Then we toss in the fresh basil leaves and fold them in. And there we have it, the pasta is ready. This is such a good base for other pasta dishes. You can add tuna, chorizo, or other meat. Thank you for watching. Please let us know if you've tried this, and why not consider subscribing for more budget-friendly and easy recipes. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.